Digital TENS can be used for various types of pain, including musculoskeletal pain. This includes conditions such as muscle strains, sprains, tendinitis, and osteoarthritis. Digital TENS can help alleviate pain and discomfort in these conditions by stimulating the sensory nerves and reducing the transmission of pain signals. Neuropathic pain. Neuropathic pain arises from damage or dysfunction in the nerves. Examples include conditions like diabetic neuropathy, post-herpetic neuralgia, and peripheral neuropathy. Digital TENS can help modulate nerve activity and provide relief from neuropathic pain. Acute pain. Digital TENS can be used to manage acute pain resulting from injuries, surgical procedures, or other traumatic events. It may help reduce pain sensitivity and promote a sense of relief. Chronic pain. Chronic pain refers to pain that persists for an extended period, often lasting more than 3 months. Conditions such as fibromyalgia, chronic back pain, and chronic headaches can be managed with digital TENS to help alleviate ongoing pain and improve quality of life. Labor pain. Digital TENS has been used as a non-pharmacological pain management technique during labor. It can provide relief from labor pains by stimulating the release of endorphins, the body's natural pain-relieving hormones. Sports injuries. Digital TENS can be beneficial for managing pain associated with sports-related injuries, such as sprains, strains, and overuse injuries. It can help reduce pain and inflammation in injured tissues. It's important to note that while digital TENS can provide pain relief for various types of pain, it may not be effective or appropriate for all individuals or pain conditions. Consulting with a healthcare professional or pain specialist is recommended to determine if digital TENS is suitable for your specific situation. They can provide guidance on proper usage and help develop a comprehensive pain management plan. Digital TENS, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, is a therapeutic technique that uses low-voltage electrical currents to provide pain relief. It involves the use of a small, battery-operated device that delivers electrical impulses through electrodes placed on the skin near the source of pain. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of digital TENS. Advantages of digital TENS. Pain relief. Digital TENS is primarily used to alleviate acute and chronic pain conditions. The electrical impulses delivered by the device can help to disrupt the pain signals and provide temporary pain relief. Non-invasive. Digital TENS is a non-invasive method of pain management. It does not require any injections or surgical procedures and is generally considered safe when used correctly. Drug-free. Unlike many other pain management methods, digital TENS does not involve the use of medications. This can be advantageous for individuals who prefer to avoid or minimize the use of pain medications and their potential side effects. Adjustable settings. Digital TENS devices typically offer adjustable settings, allowing users to control the intensity, frequency, and duration of the electrical impulses. This customization enables individuals to find the settings that work best for their specific pain condition. Portable and convenient. Digital TENS devices are compact and portable, making them convenient for use at home or on the go. This allows individuals to manage their pain whenever and wherever needed. Disadvantages of digital TENS. Temporary relief. While digital TENS can provide temporary pain relief, the effects are usually short-term. The pain relief may last only for the duration of the TENS session, and the pain may return once the device is turned off. Not effective for all types of pain. Digital TENS may not be effective for all types of pain conditions. It tends to work better for certain types of acute and chronic pain, such as musculoskeletal pain or neuropathic pain, compared to other types of pain. Skin irritation. Some individuals may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions from the adhesive electrodes used with digital TENS. This can range from mild redness to more severe skin irritation, and it is important to follow proper skin preparation and electrode placement guidelines. Learning curve. Learning to use a digital TENS device properly may require some guidance and practice. It is important to understand the device's settings, electrode placement techniques, and safety precautions to ensure optimal use. Not suitable for certain individuals. Digital TENS may not be suitable for everyone. It is not recommended for individuals with certain medical conditions, such as pacemakers or epilepsy. Pregnant women should also consult with their healthcare provider before using digital TENS. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional or pain specialist to determine if digital TENS is an appropriate option for your specific